Sleepy old redneck here. It's my kitchen. Pardon the mess. Make me a nice old summertime classic here. Fried bologna. I realize some of y'all might never have had fried bologna before. Simple dish. Take some bologna, fry it up. See how easy it is? I know a lot of people be turning their nose up going, ooh, bologna, yuck. I'm country, I'm old, I like it. You don't like it? Don't eat it. Simple as that. Me, I like it, I'll eat it. Thank you very much. About medium-low heat. I did put a tiny little bit of oil in the skillet, even though it's a non-stick skillet. The bologna does not have any oil in it. If you fry it, it won't make its own fat. So a tiny bit of oil assists it in frying. I'm putting it on toast. Pre-done up with a little Miracle Whip, because I like Miracle Whip, and I know a lot of people be like, ooh, yeah. You know what? You do you, boo-boo. I'll do me. Some people, when they fry bologna, they don't notch it, and which will make it curl. I notch it so it don't curl. It doesn't take very long either. Probably about ready to flip now. See? That's about all the longer it takes for a side. You can add seasoning to it if you like. Personally, I don't see the point. Bologna's got plenty of seasoning in it. I'm filming this on my action cam. We'll see how well it comes out. Now, growing up in most poor communities, the cheese would have been just plain old American cheese, sliced cheese. I'm bourgeois in it a little bit. I've got some Gouda on there. I love Gouda. Smoked Gouda at that, so even better. Yeah, it's going to change the flavor palette slightly. All you cooking purists out there, I don't care. I'm cooking it, you ain't. Now I could use my fancy press to make sure they stay flat. I has one. Or I can just press down on it with the spatula. I primarily use the press for baking. So I like, when I'm cooking bacon, especially when I'm cooking it for like a sandwich or something, I like it to be flat. If you ever cook bacon, you know bacon loves to curl. That's when the press comes in handy. I love these skillets. I bought these are the Blue Diamond from Amazon. Well, I got them off Amazon anyway. These are the Blue Diamond skillets, and they have been some of the best skillets I've ever owned. Some people might say, "Well, cast iron is better." Well, for some things, yes. I'm no great cook. I'm horrible at cooking cast iron. Plus, this is a glass top stove. You really don't want to be using cast iron on this. That's a very quick way to wind up with no stove. And cast irons seem to work best. Well, honestly, they work best on a gas stove. Or over an open fire, wood stove. Outside of that, the old school electric ring. Cast irons work great on those. Not so good on glass tops. I never tried it on induction. I don't know how well it would work. I mean, I don't see a real reason why it wouldn't. Probably see time 10:45. Yeah, a little early, but I ate breakfast early too, so. I was out working on the shed, and I was like, I'm getting hungry, and it's getting hot out here. Thermostat still only says 68, but working in the sun, I got a little warm. I can't set this where the skillet was because that stove's hot. And there we go. Grilled bologna sandwiches. Or fried bologna sandwiches. Good enough for me. Now, a lot of times you pair these with like tater chips, or maybe even French fries if you have more tater tots. I ain't cooked no tater tots or French fries, and I ain't got no potato chips to pair them with, so I'm just gonna have them plain. But those are typical summertime pairings. Anyway, happy 4th of July to y'all, and y'all have a good day. Be safe.